Good morning, everyone. So today is officially the first day back for all teachers in my district, and we're about to have a opening of school meeting. It is also day 4 of my classroom setup, but that won't happen until later today because my day is going to first focus on our opening of school meeting, and I just gotta show you what's inside. We have continental breakfast, we have goodie bags, we have decorations on the table, and we're almost ready to get started.
We are about to embark on a new year, and without further ado, allow me to invite our administrative team for the 2021-2022 school year to please make their entrance at this time. Let's go!
I hope that this inspires you as much as it inspires me. You guys are champions. I want you to remember that every day. We're all champions and we are stronger together. Okay, so as I was thinking about this theme for this year, everyone has been through so much. We've all been through so much since that fateful day, Friday, March 13, 2020. So much has happened, but we have bonded together. We've experienced so many challenges, but we are still here. We are all still here, and we are still in this together. We are stronger together, Dolphin family. I am happy to be here. I am honored and humbled to be your principal.
So needless to say, the start of our opening of school meeting, and so far the morning has been amazing. I love the energy and the enthusiasm. It gets me excited for the school year. And right now we took a small break. I came to my classroom to drop off a few things, and I'm heading back to the cafeteria because they're providing lunch for us. And then we'll start back up with the meeting at 12:30. So let's go down there and get that going. I'm thinking we are taking picture IDs. I haven't seen the photographers arrive yet. I don't know if it's later today. I just need to check my calendar. But yeah, I hope you were able to see a little bit of a snippet of how our meeting went. And let's go get some lunch.
Help each other this year so that we are stronger together. Look at what we did. Look at what you did. Look at that.
Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I last checked in on you. The meeting lasted till around 2 or so. I came back to my room. I had to kind of like take a breather. I took my picture ID and I just had a moment. Then Miss Guzman came over because she was moved to kindergarten this year, so we're in a separate building now. Kindergarten for our school is in a separate building than the rest of the school, and the main building, which is the building that I'm in right now, goes from 1st through 8th. So we went downstairs to the office. I said goodbye to her, and I came back upstairs to grab my cart and go back to my car to refill it with things that I am bringing from home. And I'm back in my classroom. And this is how my cart looks. So these boxes at the bottom have some books that I purchased and some books that I had taken home with me. during the summer, just so that I can do a couple things with them, I brought back my Chromebooks because I didn't use them. I didn't leave them in the school because these were obtained through Donors Choose, so I wanted to make sure they were secure. So I housed them at home, and now I'm bringing them back into the classroom so we can use them this year. I have, what is this? This is a box of Play-Doh because I'm doing a little activity with Play-Doh on the first day of school. This is a little riser for my monitor. I'll set it up later. I have a new surge protector outlet from Anchor that I'm going to use by my teacher desk. I have this little USB fan that I bought some time ago from the Target dollar spot. I also have these 2 pillows that I bought last night at IKEA. This bag contains new AA batteries for things I need in classroom, along with new tabs for my student work folders, which are right there, because the tabs that are currently on there, they are very fragile and they're just bursting and breaking. Then this is a little suggestion box that I recently bought. I just saw my friend Kim from Elementary in the Mitten. She talked about using this steel suggestion box as secret shoutouts that students do. And I'll link her video down below so you can go check it out because I thought this idea was really great. And so I got that. And this color and this gray color are the storage cubes that I'm gonna use to fill up that cubby system there. And now I'm going to unload my cart because I have one last thing to get from the car, which didn't fit on this, and that's my new mini fridge. So let me unload this and then make another trip to the car. Hello everyone. So a little bit of an update, and I'm sorry this is gonna be another short classroom setup video, and it's not really a classroom setup because I wasn't able to do much. So from earlier, we finished the meeting at 2, and then I needed to go to the car, and I got all the stuff out like I showed you. So the Chromebooks are now on the kidney table. It's like I'm making more mess, but eventually I'll clear things out. What I have to tell myself is I still have tomorrow and Friday. I'm making it a point to not come on Saturday because I want to give myself Saturday and Sunday because they're my last official days before the start of the year. So I do want to do a lot of self-care this weekend. But I did bring the refrigerator. I don't know if I showed that to you, but it's right there. And I haven't been able to do much today because then I was going back and forth in my car, and I took the round table to the car, the floor table that was from our flexible seating Donors Choose project 3 years ago. I did take it to the car. It's in my mom's car right now. Her and I figured it out and we took it down there. Sorry I didn't show you. We're just trying to get things done. And she did help me though put the storage containers in the cubby system, and they look amazing. So there they are. I wanted to do a checkerboard pattern, so she did that for me, and it looks amazing. And now I have all this extra storage, but the rest of the room still looks the same. My whole thing is I'm focusing on the fact that even if I cannot get to all this, the kids have a place to sit. That area pretty much looks organized. Those bins will be I'm gonna put them against the wall underneath so they're out of the way. And tomorrow while I'm doing my PD, I'm gonna start looking through all these things. I'm going to clear my kidney table again, clear the sofa, and little by little start getting those bookshelves out, put them over here, and do what I can, little by little. It'll be fine. So I just wanted to end this very short classroom vlog. If you enjoyed coming along with me, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought, or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile.
Hello dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.